You clicked on this video because you don't know how to start your business. This is a value proposition canvas. I started and failed 14 businesses until I understood that setup is almost 90% of the work that must be done. Usually I had a business idea come up to mind and I started a website, designed a logo, or thought of a fancy slogan. Ignoring a good business model led to failure always. The day I started using frameworks and sticking to my business plan, I saw progress. The funny thing is, setting up a good business model takes usually a few days, but saving you many years, headaches and tears. Some of you may relate to the fact that entrepreneurs often have to do everything themselves in the beginning. Let's take a closer look at the value proposition canvas. But before we jump into detail, you must know that on the left-hand side, we cover the value proposition, and on the right-hand side, we cover the customer profile. Take a guess with which segment you need to start, with A, the value proposition, or B, the customer profile. The right answer is B, customer profile, because in order to define a winning value proposition, you need to understand which customer profiles you want to serve. If you identify multiple customer profiles, then you also need to develop multiple value propositions. But for the sake of simplicity, let's start with only one canvas. The first field to start with are the customer jobs. Here you define what the customer needs to accomplish. Before we start filling out the canvas, we need a business idea. Let's assume I have the groundbreaking idea to sell socks online. Okay, now put yourself in the role of the customer and think about the jobs you need to be done. So if I put socks on, I want to go out and I don't want stinky, sweaty shoes or feet. The next job is that in order to achieve that, I need to pick the right socks, which are handling sweat and smell well. Plus, they need to look good and match our outfit. Last but not least, we need comfortable but durable socks to master our day. Next, we look at the paints. Those describe everything which annoys or prevents your customer in order to get the job done. For example, buying socks is often seen as an annoying task. Another one is that socks are actually expensive if you look for quality material. Lastly, you cannot be sure how they fit you and how durable they are until you wear them. To complete the customer profile, we need to look at the gains also. Gains describe the outcome and benefits your customers want. One example for a gain is that once people find the right socks, they tend to buy them repeatedly. Next, your customers want seamless socks for comfort, like wearing nothing. People would also love to have, besides a perfect product description, maybe a short video where the founder explains his concept for his brand and the relatability. Lastly, customers would love to have a guarantee for a perfect fit. Now, after completing the right side of the canvas, it's time to look at the left-hand side, value propositions. It is important that you now map the fields from right to left accordingly and in the order I'm going to tell you. The customer jobs must be mapped to the products and services, the pains must be mapped to the pain relievers, and the gains must be mapped to the gain creators. Let's start with the area for products and services. We sell anti-sweat socks, preventing smell. The design can be individualized by the customer, and finally we guarantee durable socks for everyday challenges. Did you recognize the obvious? We mapped every customer jobs with our products and services field. Next, we create pain relievers for our pains. We sell socks digitally and hand out collectible badges to boost our sales. That way, buying socks is not that annoying anymore. It becomes a game. We produce in Portugal, an European country, delivering top quality and use automated processing to make quality affordable. Lastly, we focus on the gain creators to deliver our gains. For every 10 pairs, they get 2 pairs for free. Our YouTube channel shows behind the scenes videos of our socks production with live streaming from our manufacturing line. We propose cashback guarantee if the customer is not happy with our socks. As you can see, for every problem on the right, we have a solution on the left. Through our customer profile on the right, we also have identified problems that are relevant for our niche. Our solutions effectively tackle those problems. For your further guidance, I have linked all necessary resources down below from Strategizer, the company who developed this approach. After you successfully fill out your value proposition, it is time to follow up with the business model canvas, because the value proposition directly integrates there and needs to be secured with a more solid foundation. Drop in the comments down below if you want to see a follow-up for the use of the business model canvas. I remind myself of the difference as the value proposition canvas focuses on the problem and the solution, whilst the business model canvas focuses on the tactics to execute and start activities in order to achieve your value proposition. Did this video help you to understand how to use the value proposition canvas? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.